WhatsUp Gold has the ability to discover, monitor, alert, and report on the SSL certificates stored on your network devices. This helps you avoid security risks, maintain compliance, and prevent downtime caused by expired or misconfigured certificates. When you perform a discovery scan of devices on your network, you have the option to look for any SSL certificates and certificate metadata on a specified list of ports. WhatsUp Gold identifies every way a certificate can be reached, such as by IP address, DNS hostname, or multiple URLs on the same port. This ensures full visibility into certificate exposures across your environment. In addition to gathering certificate information, the Discovery Scan also assigns subroles to any devices which are likely to contain certificates. Specifically, if port 443 is open on a device, WhatsUp Gold assigns a subrole called SSL Certificate. This subrole then attempts to assign the web server subrole to the device, assuming port 80 or port 443 is open or one or more specific IIS processes are running on the device. After the discovery is finished and you start monitoring one of these devices, an SSL Certificate Active Monitor is added to it. By default, every 11 hours, the monitor will attempt to locate a valid certificate for the device. The monitor will also review the expiration date for the certificate. If a valid certificate is not found, or if it is expired or will expire in the next 30 days, the monitor reports as down. You can edit this monitor to make changes to the default settings. You can choose to check for the certificate by URL or by UNC file path. You can change the number of days considered before the expiration date. You can configure the monitor to check that the common name on the SSL certificate matches the domain on the URL, and if the certificate sits behind an HTTP proxy, you can configure settings to forward the monitor traffic through the proxy. If you want to be notified when the monitor is down, you can assign an action policy the same as you can for other active monitors. In this way, you can get ahead of any issues with timely, customizable notifications. You have two options for reporting on the certificate data that was gathered during the scan. The first option is to use the certificate's inventory report. You can see relevant information, such as the device on which the certificate was found, the device's IP address, the communication port used to discover the certificate, and more details relating to the certificate. You can filter the report by device or device group, and the expiration timeframe. The second reporting option is the Certificate Expiry Summary Report view available on the Home dashboard. It displays certificate information categorized by expiration date. The data is color-coded by date range to make it easy to see any certificates which are close to expiring. Click any category within the chart to launch the Certificates report, pre-filtered to display only the devices with certificates that currently fall within that category. From here, you can click the icon in the left column to access the device properties or device status page for the relevant device. Thank you for watching this video on certificate discovery, monitoring, and reporting in WhatsUp Gold.